A lot's been said about the importance of reading to young children. We can read number books as well. This is one of my favourites, an Australian 1, 2, 3 of animals. I'm just going to open on the number 5 page, and there's a few significant things about this page. The number here, the number 5, tells us how many altogether. And so we can see that 5 tells us how many in the group altogether, even though I've got 2 on this side and 3 on that side. These are important understandings. Sometime during year 1, children are going to learn about doubles and simple addition facts. Here we've got a beautiful picture we can subitise for, we can subitise for, we can have a combination about the fact that 4 and 4 is 8. And there's the number telling us the quantity on the page. So books work in lots of different ways. I really like this one too, another favourite, 10 red apples. And I've opened this on this page here. It's the page for number 4. We can see 4 red apples down here, easily subitizable like the dots on a dice. But then we've got to spot them on the tree. There's 1, 2 here and another 2 here. So again we've got this idea of doubles. But what you probably can't see is there are lots of little green apples. So one of the things we can say to a child is, are there more green apples or red apples? We've now got to find and count those green apples and make the comparison. So there's a lot can be done. I'm looking at this one here, cute book. This is just a simple counting book. It's called Counting 1, 2, 3. And I've got the page here for 8. Here we've got a group. We can subitise 3 at the bottom. We can count on from there, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or maybe you look at this 4 here. I can see 4 here. I can see 4 down here as well. 4 and 4 is 8. So we can play with these books. We can have conversations and lay down some ideas that are useful for addition. Some books go beyond 1 to 10. This book, for instance, is called When I Dream of 1, 2, 3. And here there are 11 meerkats. Now, the main way of being able to work this out is by counting them all. And it's important that children know sometimes you need to count them all, and sometimes you can just spot by looking how many are there. Being able to decide when to count and when there's no need to count because you can just see how many there are is a really important step for young children to learn about before they come to school. One more book I'm just going to put out here because there's hundreds of these things. This is a new one and it's called 10 Hooting Owls. Now this is a count back book. It starts at 10. Each time an owl goes missing and we end up down to the last one, and then all of a sudden we find the rest of the owls and we're back to 10. So this is a counting back book which is modelling the process of subtraction, but informally, in conversations, having fun, cosy and comfortable with a young child.